Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you want to change a voice on Suno AI, then this video is for you. First, you have to go to the suno.com and you have to log into your account. Now go to the creator section. Here is the creator section. Now from here you can find all of your songs. So for example, if you want to change a voice for this song, then you have to do is simply click on this three dot button here and you can find remix and edit here. Then you can find open in editor. So when you are open you have opened this in editor, then you can find that you can find the voice file or the recorded file there in this song. So you can delete that recorded file or the voice file. Then you can try to simply click on this plus audio icon here. Then you can record a new voice without any type of noise or echo. Then you can also upload another voice file from here, and that's how you can just easily change your voice on the Suno AI for a song. So that's how you can just do it. Or also you can do is you can change the style from here, also the song title and also the lyrics. Also you can add some persona here. So for that you have to purchase the premium version of Suno.ai. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel, and thanks for watching. Till next time.